Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The white Corvette C8 featured here is not just another sports car, it's a reimagined masterpiece of performance and design. Set in a modern studio with precision lighting, this futuristic and heavily modified Corvette C8 commands attention from every angle. The body is wrapped in a crisp matte white finish with carbon fiber and black accents that highlight its aggressive styling, while the yellow brake calipers add a vibrant touch of contrast that suggests both luxury and performance. At the front, the car features a custom low-slung bumper with integrated LED light bars that stretch across the width, adding to the modern, race-inspired aesthetic. The full LED headlamps are sharp and expressive, enhanced by angular DRLs that create a fierce, high-tech gaze. The hood is sculpted with functional air channels that help with cooling and aerodynamics, showcasing that this design is not just for looks, it's engineered for speed. Along the sides, the C8 is fitted with a bold wide-body kit that expands its stance and gives it an intimidating road presence. Sitting on massive custom alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires with a deep tread pattern, the car looks ready for both the racetrack and the open road. The lowered suspension and carbon fiber side skirts further emphasize its aggressive profile. Tinted windows and streamlined side mirrors complement the overall stealthy appearance, giving the car a hyper-modern edge. At the rear, the modifications continue with a quad exhaust system, a custom rear diffuser, and a large rear wing that enhances downforce during high-speed driving. The sharp LED taillights complete the look, giving the car a signature finish that stands out even in a dark environment. Inside, the Corvette C8 remains a driver-focused machine. It features custom racing seats, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and an advanced digital dashboard that offers a cockpit-like experience. Premium materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber are used throughout the cabin. The infotainment system is loaded with the latest tech, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a performance telemetry display that tracks speed, lap times, and engine data in real time. Under the hood, the modified version of the Corvette C8 continues to impress. While the stock 6.2L V8 delivers 495 horsepower, this custom build is tuned for even more power. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just a few seconds, and its top speed surpasses 200 miles per hour, making it a beast on both the streets and the track. Its adaptive suspension, high-performance brakes, and optimized aerodynamics ensure tight handling and stability at high speeds. This futuristic white Corvette C8 is more than a car, it's a symbol of advanced engineering and automotive artistry. From its sculpted exterior to its roaring performance, it delivers a complete experience for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the modified Corvette C8, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Auto Critic USA, for more high-octane reviews, exclusive builds, and automotive showcases you won't want to miss.